Hey everybody, Foothill Mo here with the band, the myth, the legend himself, my dad, Tony. And so we are sponsored for Father's Day by our sponsors, Rimthin, for this video, and we are going to put some headlights, really awesome headlights might I add, they're in all of our vehicles, in his 2011 Honda Element. So are you ready to be able to see at night?
Let's do this.
So here we go. Now, the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need your box of headlights. And what comes in this, and this is all great Father's Day gift, under $50, you guys, is you're going to get, now these are the H4 bulbs, which most Hondas run these. You are going to have your LED bulb. They come in this little kit. They have their little bit of instructions that go with them. You are going to need some dielectric grease. And always wear gloves, even though these, technically you can't touch them. I don't recommend it. It's hardwired in me. Plus the bulbs in this are still good. So we're gonna go ahead and save those for a rainy day just in case, okay? So move on to the next step with me. All right, so I'm gonna have my dad turn on the headlights so you can get a before. Now remember, it is daylight right now. Will you high beam it, Dad? So these are the difference in the lights during the day. And so that's just your regular bulb. Watch out, Chip. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the bulbs in and do it one more time. All right, now we're getting the camera situated here. How's that?
He prefers Richard.
Yeah,
Cranium.
Richard Cranium. All right, you guys.
I carry a satchel of Richards.
All right, so now the first thing that you're going to do is this part right here. This is your headlight. So this is going to be your electrical component going in. This is the little booty. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here and we're gonna wiggle that part right off there and just tuck it off to the side. And then you're gonna take this is your little boot. This keeps all the water and all the stuff out. So we're gonna go ahead and set that to the side. If there's tons of dirt or anything like that on it, try not to get any in here because that's what's gonna go up internally here. Now with these, it's gonna be hard to see. Now the bulbs only go in one way. There is a little kind of Y back here, and there is a paper clip size, what's the word I'm looking for there? Yeah. I failed at not putting my hand down here first. Sorry, honey, I need you to move the camera. Thank you. Okay, so there it is. So this is your little gatekeeper right there. It's about the size of a paper clip. And so we're gonna have that come off. And then the bulb only comes out one way. And again, this bulb is still good, so we're gonna try not to touch any part of it, and we're gonna put it in the box for later, okay?
Does that clip on a hinge?
Yes. And so the bulb comes out this way, it goes back in this way. So this is a standard H4 bulb that you would get. This is probably ballpark $70, $80 at the parts store. Now to show you the difference in the two bulbs, okay? So this is going to be your LED by Rimthin. This is your standard halogen bulb. Now this is guaranteed up to 50,000 hours. It is absolutely amazing lifespan. So we have all the parts on the back here. Just let you see it all. Now this one has more venting in it for cooling. So moving on to the next part. Don't touch this part, wear gloves. I'll put that in there. Now you're gonna take, actually we'll put it in here first and then I'll do my dielectric grease. So this is where it gets a little tricky because sometimes if you got big hands, you're gonna put this, oh poo.
Did you just break my ball?
No.
There's another good reason.
Stop it.
That's what happens when you're smuggling sausages.
Yeah. And so you just put that back in there like so. And it goes back in one little shape and you'll feel it seat in there.
Oh, there isn't an element, so you couldn't see if you broke the element on the ball.
Yeah, it's
It's literally a computer chip.
Yeah.
Yep. So you got to make sure and then give it a little wiggle.
Look at my stockiness.
Yep, on bud. Okay. There we go. So once that's in there, you're gonna take this and push it nice, and it goes back nice and easy. If it doesn't go back nice and easy, there's an issue with it. Now these little clips are my, that one went on pretty good. Those little clips are usually my nemesis. So now what you're gonna do, you have that part in there, you have the clip on itself, you're gonna take a little dabble doer dielectric grease. You're just gonna go whoop right there, a little whoop 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 right there. Little dabble do ya. You don't need to drown this, okay? But make sure it's moist. So put that off to the side. And now your booty goes back on. Right on over those little prongs. You're gonna wanna make sure that it seats down in there.
You hear it snap into place?
Yep, and you'll feel it too. You gotta make sure that the little prongs are okay. All right, and then now this part goes right back, just like so, and it's all in there. Okay, now let's go ahead and turn that light bulb back on.
Well, those work indirect with a regular bulb.
Yep. Look at how bright white that is. We got to do the other stuff. So look at how yellow and ambery this one is. It's on. It's bright white. And then look at this one. We should do a circle. All right, now for the passenger side, you have this part on here that needs to come off to gain access to this headlight. And you just hold this, pop it up from the bottom, and make sure you put a mark so you know exactly where it goes back on, okay? And then this is the same for this side. We're gonna come on over here. We're gonna wiggle this little baby out, move that out of the way. You're gonna take your little booty. You're gonna pull that off just like so. Put that out of the way. And then reach in here, and it's just reversed from the other side. Let's see here. I'm doing it by braille. Just like that. And then this is gonna come out. It only goes in and out one way. So that's your bulb. Everything looks good. We're gonna pull this bulb out here. And then it can only go back in one way. All right. You're sidetracking me, Dad. You're over there checking my work. I promise it is. And then you put that in there like so. And then your boot. Oh, we got our dielectric grease. See, the squirrels are rabid in my brain when I have help.
This is a great father-son, father-daughter project you guys can do on Father's Day.
Absolutely.
And the best part is if you do it during the daytime, Dad can't yell at you for not holding the flashlight the right way.
Exactly. Point the light over here. That's what I should have done. I should have gave him a flashlight to hold for me.
There you go.
You know, really round out the 80s, 90s right there.
Yeah.
Dang it, Dad. I said hold the flashlight over here. That's so funny. Okay, so and then you make sure your little boot is pushed right back in there. And the little teefies are all the way through. And then this gets plugged in just like so. And 2 fingers push on there. And we already put the dielectric grease on. And then to get this, I'm gonna have to have Brandon do it for me because I don't have that strong. Oh, maybe I got it. There we go. And pop back on. Voila. And just like that, you got your headlights done.
We're golden.
Absolutely
Fit on that
golden.
thing.
It's brighter already. It's a
Exactly.
brighter day already.
Exactly. And so, that is how you change the headlights in a 2011 Honda Element. So, great little Father's Day gift. Again, you can find them on Amazon, under $50. I can't say enough great things about these headlights. We're saving the halogen bulbs. We're just going to throw them in the car because my dad, they keep everything. So,
Now, what about other vehicles?
other vehicles, they have multiple bulbs on their site and on Amazon available. So you just need to know what bulb that you have and then go to either the Rimthin website or search Rimthin LED bulbs and what size of bulb that you need. So that is literally life-changing. Anyway, Foothill Mo, the man, the myth, the legend. We got Midnight Customs behind the camera and then the shop dog off to the screen. But thank you so much. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Stay tuned for the next one.
Ciao.
Shop dog, shop dog.